Hey guys, I just wanted to set up the unboxing segment that you're about to watch. So this video is called, as you can tell in the title, I got something in the mail from Trendmood. If you don't know who Trendmood is, please check her out on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. She's a beauty influencer that's always got the secrets and what's about to come out. If you want to know anything that's launching, literally the second that you find out about it, you check out her page and you'll see it there. Not to discredit that there are other makeup news or beauty news related channels that I genuinely adore and have good relationships with as well. This is just a fun video to show that she is such a big channel or such a big source. I think she's almost at 1 million followers right now. But she is such a big source and she really does give back. So a lot of the things that you see that she's constantly getting for free and unboxing and all that kind of jib jab, she puts constantly throughout the year in envelopes and sends back to people. And so where I came into this picture and how I randomly got this envelope in the mail was not very random at all. And I just want to say that. If you ever are prowling around the internet and you feel like you found something brand new, or if you're in store and you feel like you're genuinely to the core the first person that has ever found it, I know I've had that feeling many, many, many times. And one day I just wondered, you know, maybe I should just let her know. And that's kind of how a lot of this starts, is if you don't see anything that's brand new information, if you don't see any other sources out there that are talking about something, share it, take a picture of it in the store, send it to somebody. They might really appreciate it, and it might, you know, help everybody in a community, you know, get a little bit more excited about something that's coming out. So that is the kind of precursor to the unboxing video that you're about to watch. Yeah, she did send a bunch of really cool, fun things, and I genuinely do appreciate that. And like I said, there are other news outlets out there that are just as genuine and just as generous, and tra-la-la, this is kumbaya. I don't know what else I'm trying to say, so enjoy. Hey guys, I just want to come on here real quick and make a quick little unboxing video. I received something in the mail from Trendmood. Ooh, if you don't know who Trendmood is, please check her out on Instagram. Her name is Sophie. She's always got the know in the makeup world, and she sends stuff out to some cool people every year around holiday season, so I'm really excited. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Thank you, Sophie. Wow. Thank you for all your love and support. You are so sweet. This is awesome. Okay guys, what? This chick right here. So I've got a Jeffree Star Skin Frost. Sophie. This is exciting. Okay, I'm gonna see what shade that is in a second. You're so kind. This is a little tart sample of a lip paint and a mascara. Wow, girl, you're so awesome. This is from Ciate. It's a little manicure kit. There's nothing a fresh manicure can't fix. Oh. This is so cute. There's so much stuff in this envelope, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. This is shade 321 from Estee Lauder. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, it's magnetic. I love when shit's magnetic. Oh my gosh, you guys. There is a lip color from Milk Makeup. Sophie, this is so much stuff. You are so nice. Cheek and Lip Tint Mega Glow by Wet n Wild. None of this stuff is used. It's all sealed, by the way, so I just want to throw that out there. This is Pin Up Pout by NYX in the shade Rebel Soul. And 3 things left. This is, ooh, Jouer Illuminizing Liquid Highlighter. Oh my god, Sophie, this is so nice. I don't want to break this. Okay, I'll open that in a second. This is from Lottie London. It's a dual chrome lip lacquer. Ooh, I like this in the shade Iconic. And then lastly from Jouer, ooh, Illuminating Brightening Powder. Wow. Thank you so much, girlfriend. This is so sweet of you. I did not expect all of this. So, oh my God. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I think you are fabulous. Oh, I love this stuff. And this was a really nice surprise. So, thank you very much.